paralegal is a paraprofessional that works under the supervision of an attorney, performing tasks that have traditionally been done by an attorney. So what does that mean in sort of layman's terms? There are lots of tasks that attorneys have to do: drafting motions, drafting memos, drafting forms, various documents that are either used in litigation or some type of transactional work within the law. Paralegals come in, they learn about these areas of law, and they're able to do those drafts under the supervision of an attorney that ultimately will review and sign that work. Now at EKU, our paralegal program is accredited by or approved by the American Bar Association. This means that we have various things that we have to do to ensure that our paralegal students graduate with the skills that they need to be job ready day one. We very carefully assess our courses and our student work to make sure that our students are always fulfilling the expectations of their employers. What this ultimately means for us is, because we're in this constant discussion with the legal community, is we know exactly what's expected of our students and we try to meet and exceed that. And I think it's very clear by the legal community that we succeed in that task. Many of our students, probably more than half, are employed before they ever leave the paralegal program. They'll do an internship, say the summer before graduation or semester or so before graduation, and they'll get gobbled up right then and there. I also will say I keep in touch with a lot of our alumni, and they continue to have the same type of employment success that we see of our recent graduates. Good online students are very organized. Good online students have time management skills. Good online students advocate for themselves and solve problems themselves. That is exactly the same types of skills that paralegals have to have as well.